Hello players, I want to share with you something that's been the most helpful to my game, and that is flowing into the shot line. And in my opinion, a 9-ball pattern is the best way to show you this shot. So let's go ahead and break this rack. Bonus, let me tell you about this. I'm going to use a cut break. I'm going to hit to the left side of the one just slightly, and I'm going to put some low left on this cue ball. It's going to explode the rack. I'm going to make at least 2 balls. One is probably going to go in here. Key is that if this cue ball ends up in this end of the table, I will typically have a shot on my opening shot. When I draw it to this rail, to that diamond, and end up here. That's the goal. Low left, just offset on that 1 ball to the left is where we're looking. Follow through. Look at that, hit right at the second diamond. And look, we have a shot. Good break. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We made 3 balls. Happens really every time. It's amazing. Now, the other thing is, too, is that on that 7-foot diamond, you got to shoot that shot. It's going to be amazing to you guys. So what I'm going to do here, I can slow roll this. Let me see if that works. I'm going to slow roll it. Okay, I can. Yes, and that'll get me probably a little angle on the 3 to the corner, but I should be able to get to the 5 with no problem. Slow roll it. Perfect. Going into the shot line would be here and back out this direction. I'm going to play just a little bit of low with some outside left. And that's the shot line. Perfect. A little bit straight here. I could run ahead and go 2 cushions and back, but that's kind of iffy because I would end up behind this 9 probably. So what do I want to do here? Almost straight in. I think I can draw it without drawing into this pocket. If I hit this rail, I'm flowing into the shot line. Let's do it. Looking at the 7, if I can get down here with a cut, and I can then roll here and then flow into the shot line, which doesn't always have to be at the ball. It can be away from the ball because look, if I hit here with a cue ball and roll this way, I'm rolling into the shot line, even though it's coming away from it. You understand? Look for that. Got to make a good stroke here. I can't overpower it. If it hits here and hits here, it comes out, I'm still good. Make a good stroke here. Got to get that angle. I got it. I'm going to put spin on the cue ball, come here, out to here. Not much spin, and I'll get by that 8. Perfect. Got a nice little angle here on this 8 ball. I'm going to go here and here and here. Left spin. And I'm dead straight. A little bit past dead straight. Just center ball. And you want to shoot these right here with authority. Don't baby those in. So flowing into the shot line, I cannot tell you, it's been the most beneficial to my game. You got to look for that. And if you do, you're going to run out more often, I assure you. So if you guys have any questions or comments on this video, please leave them in the comment section below. Also, share this video and hit the like. Please, please, please. Helps my channel a lot. Now the other thing, if you want to see another great tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.